We will next look at the SUMIFS function. In this case, a sum range is selected and then multiple criteria specified to determine what values are added. In other words, what values should be summed based on multiple criteria set from related columns. Let's say, for example, that I would like to know the total sales of a particular vehicle type for a particular salesperson. So let's say, for example, I'd like to know the total sales value of SUVs sold by Adam Miles. What I can do in this case is type in equals SUMIFS, open parentheses. The first thing that it is asking me for is the sum range, which is different to the SUMIF function, where the sum range is required at the end after typing in the criteria. So I'm going to select the sum range, which is total sales, comma. Now it is asking me for my criteria range. So my first criteria range is going to be the salesperson, comma, and now it is asking me for the criteria within that range. So I'm going to choose Adam Miles, comma. Now what is the second criteria range? So because I am now looking for the sales of SUVs by the particular salesperson Adam Miles, I now select my criteria range in the vehicle type column. Type in a comma. What am I specifically looking for within that vehicle type column? Well, it is the SUV by Adam Miles. I can now have a third criteria, fourth criteria, and so on. I'm going to stop there, close parentheses, enter, and that is 134,000. So that means that Adam Miles has sold $134,000 worth of SUVs, and if I add them up from the sales column, I know he's only sold SUVs to 2 people. So if I select those 2 items using the Control key on my keyboard, I can see in the bottom right that they equal 134,000.